Tap back in, it's your boy called Chris, and you can call me any fucking time. So why haven't you? What's up with y'all? Young Bulls. This is a quick review. I know you guys see by the thumbnail we have. It's beautiful already. Like, just look at the packaging, came crazy. Travis Scott X Fragment collab bows white with the blue swoosh that is to release this year, sometime later this month, hopefully. Overall, this is not a pair I'd expect to be as like fire. Like, this shit is pain, bro. Actually a great shoe. So let's get straight into the unboxing and go from there. Before we get into this video, I want to shout out sofia.kicks.ru. They did a great job on this pair overall. I'm not gonna lie, like, she got this to me really fast and down to the details. You cannot complain. Right into the shoe, guys. I did not expect it to like look this like clean. It does look like an old 80s kind of style Jordan. I fuck with it a lot, bro. Like this. So starting from the sole, guys, we have a blue sole with a yellow midsole right there. It's slightly yellow, like a cream beige. It did not do like a super yellow design, which I am appreciative of. Like, this looks way better in person, in my opinion. It's just very simple. It gives like a 90s Air Force One, like nostalgic vibe. Travis, like when the Travises have that yellow design with some shoes or like a white J's, you have to make sure that shit is the point. So Sofia Kicks did a great job. And on the midsole right here, you have the Fragment like design on the shoe, like the shoemaking or manufacturing code. I don't know what that shit is, but they did a great job overall, keeping that consistent font placement perfect, man. Great. So on the upper, it's a numbered white leather. It's like a slightly cream on the box. Let me read this exactly for you guys. So the sail colorway is very clean. They did all the way down to the stitching, and then like the cuts, you see that right there. They did great on the swoosh, the blue, that military blue. As far as comfort, bro, I tried these on. They're really comfortable. Any drill. I know how Travis and One Lows are. They fit true to size. I got my size in the size 12. I got my size in the size 12. Like, they don't look too long or forward to. It's this lace lock. So I messed this lace lock up a little bit. This could be my fault. I didn't know what the fuck that shit was. But it is different on both pairs. So you have when I relace these. But let me know if you guys want like a lacing video for these two. So yellow tongue, black laces on there. Looks great. And then on the back of the shoe, on the heel, you have one cactus jack and then one Air Jordan 1 low design on the left shoe, and then the cactus jack on the right. It's just super. A very long time. Shout out Sofia Kicks, but bro, these are a great pair, So, like the exclusive pictures, I think they're just like here. So great all the way design. Cannot complain. And shout out Sofia Kicks. So let's get into some on feet with these and show you guys how they look. That's about it for the video game. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. I think these is fire, low-key a sleeper pair, as well as my giveaway and shit. Let's get y'all some free shoes, free anything. Feel me? Let's just run this shit up. Hey,
you in a
drop?
I
don't trust my bitch. Ever.
Nigga, you don't